Sorry friends, sorry to all of you, please forgive me. And I Yashoda, welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Dihati Madam. Friends, first of all I just want to apologize, please forgive me for my last video. And actually friends, after receiving negative comments on my video, I was demotivated. I was little demotivated, and that's why I just wanna quit uploading videos. I just wanna quit. And after receiving your comments, I feel how much you love me, how much you want from me to upload videos. And because I by watching my videos, many of learners also feel motivated, they also feel something encouraged, and that's why they just wanted to keep my this journey continue. And now I'm here with a little bit more confidence, with a little bit more power, more motivation. And friends, from now on I'm just wanted to make videos. For my ambition is only to speak fluent English for my viewers, for me, and for this country, because we are women and we are the part of this country, yeah, and we have to learn this language. We are also part of this country, and it's a right. It's a right to learn the language. It's a right to do anything according to our choice. We are women, and we should be proud to be a woman. Friends, I just want to tell you one thing. In the way that you have motivated me so much by giving me lot of good comments, lot of positive comments, and in the same way, whenever you get demotivated, just try to motivate yourself, just try to encourage yourself. Friends, you encouraged me a lot. Friends, you encouraged me a lot, and that's why I'm here. That's why I'm able to make videos with all of you, for all of you. And I just want to say all my viewers that it doesn't matter. People makes fun of you, they thinking, they are saying ill about you, they are not supporting you. It doesn't matter. If you want to do it, then everything is going to be happen that you want. Okay, don't feel embarrassed, don't feel embarrassed. I'm telling you friend, don't feel embarrassed, always feel motivated. If you want to continue, if you want to learn everything, just feel motivated. Only by keeping motivated to yourself, you can do everything. You can do everything. It doesn't matter you are doing right, you are doing wrong. Actually, I'm also thinking about me. I just want to make videos, whether it is right, I'm saying right, I'm saying wrong, it doesn't matter. I just want to upload my videos. I just want to motivate, because my aim is to speak. And friends, we are Indians, and it's not easy for us to speak without making mistakes. That's why it doesn't matter whether I make mistakes or I'm doing right. My aim is to speak English, my aim is to learn English, my aim is to speak English. I just want to do it. Friends, ambition is very important. Ambition is extremely important. Ambition have a ambition, what you want to do, what you want to do. If you want to learn English, then give your 100%. And first thing that most important, have patience, to be calm. Everything is going to be happen gradually. We are learner, and we can't learn this language in a very short period. It will definitely take time, and that's why have patience. Only by patience, only by motivating yourself, you can do everything. You can do everything in this world. And patience is the key to uh, reach on the top. Only by patience, only by content. Okay, all And friends, I just want to tell you now, after receiving your lot of comments, I'm feeling more confident to make videos. I can't express what I'm feeling. I just wanna do it. I have to do it anyhow. I just wanna do it anyhow. It doesn't matter. I have to put lot of efforts. I have to do more hard work. It doesn't matter. I'm ready for it because I want to do something. Then I'm ready for it. Okay. Whenever you feel some little bit demotivated, then try to motivate yourself. Okay, motivate yourself. And it's not like that you get demotivated and you just leave to learn English. No, friends, you have to learn it. You know, after trying again and again, you will definitely do it. But you have to consistent on your journey. You have to consistent on your learning journey. And that's all I just want to say you. And thanks for motivating me. And thanks people, thanks to all my viewers for supporting me so much, for motivating me so much. And that's it. And we will definitely meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.